This video shows you how to review and export detailed client reports on the ActivForce Dashboard. Every test performed during the session appears in one consolidated report. Under Subject Details, you can amend the client's name and weight. This helps ensure calculations like force-to-weight ratio are accurate. The force graph displays your test repetitions. You can select or deselect repetitions to isolate them, and hover to see detailed data points. Use the navigation arrows to view each repetition's data: peak force, time to peak, average force, and force-to-weight ratio. You can also view left and right comparisons side by side. The system automatically calculates strength difference and percentage difference to highlight asymmetry. For range of motion test, the graphs show metrics such as maximum angle and time to max angle for each side. You can easily copy text data straight from the report and transfer the results instantly into your own documentation system. When it comes to exporting results, you can collapse or expand sections to include only the data you need. When you've made your selection, click the print icon to generate PDF reports. The ActivForce Dashboard turns every test into a clear, actionable report, making data easy to interpret, share, and apply in practice. For more detailed guides, visit our tutorials page on ActivForce.com.